you feel stuck. You feel stuck in life. And the reason why you have clicked on this video is because you want some hope. You're looking for similar minds. And that's what I do on this channel. That's what I am here for. I wanted to meet like-minded people because for me, it was more important to find my tribe. And if you are one of those people who's been feeling lost, feeling like time is passing you by, things are not working your way, and you feel like, yaar, bas, zindagi khatam hai, right? बहुत पीछे रह गया मैं, है ना? If you ever think like that, तो यार, give me a few minutes of your time, ठीक है? एक बार, the reason why you are not is because it's not your time. It's not your time. Your time has not come yet. You've not arrived yet. That's the reason why you feel like things are in slow motion. That's the reason why you feel like you're falling behind. That's the reason why, you almost feel like you're rock bottom. But the truth is, you're not rock bottom. You're not. And I don't know where you live. I don't know who you are. I don't know what you have been going through in your life. But I can tell you that from my own experiences, and I've been through quite a lot of shit, I can tell you that it's going to be okay. Even if it doesn't feel like it now, it's going to be okay. Right? Because the truth is that time changes. Time evolves. Time does not stay the same. It never does. You may think it stays the same because when you are in a very desperate situation, right? आपको लगता है कि यार ये तो कभी खत्म होने वाला नहीं है, right? You feel like this is it. But ऐसा नहीं है. You need to realize the concept of life. You really do, because if you don't realize that, then, every time something crazy happens, something very difficult happens, you are going to quit. You're going to question yourself. You're going to believe that it's the end. But it's not the end. It is never the end. Right? And I believe that. I strongly believe that. क्योंकि मैंने अपने लाइफ में देखा है, ठीक है? मैंने अपने लाइफ में ऐसे देखा है. And I know for a fact कि जब भी मैंने सोचा था कि my life is over, my life is done, my life is finished, somehow like a miracle happened. And it changed everything. At the snap of your fingers, it changes everything. Life has always delivered. The universe has always delivered. But people are not around to see the results. That's the problem. They really, people lose hope. People lose faith. You have a bad day, you have a bad month, your will starts to weaken, right? आपको लगता है कि शायद इससे मैं निकल ही नहीं पाऊंगा. शायद यही मेरी, फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन है. पर ऐसा नहीं है. कितनी भी बड़ी कठिनाई आए, कितनी भी बड़ी, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, right? A lot of people are going through a lot of shit, right? They're going through pain, suffering. किसी को physical pain है, किसी को emotional pain है, किसी को बहुत, कितने सारे लोगों को बहुत कुछ है यार. There's so many things. But you need to realize that it's not the end. You need to believe that. Believing without seeing evidence is very difficult, and I get that. But you know where belief comes from? That belief comes from evidence which can be generated by yourself. Just allow me a second. What that means is you have to generate your own evidence for you to believe in yourself. How do you do that? And you exercise what I call strategic patience. Strategic patience is not sitting back in your chair, having a cup of tea, smoking a cigar and thinking that it's gonna be okay. That's wishful thinking. That's strategic patience is when you have a plan. You have a plan, you have an action plan. And you're committed to that action plan. And you go about it like it's your life depends on you. And then you exercise patience. That's called strategic patience. And when you exercise strategic patience, in other words, it's also called perseverance, right? You will see a way out. Now, it may not be the way that you had thought for yourself in the beginning, right? कि मैं इसी रास्ते से जाऊंगा, right? आपको लगा होगा कि यार, the end to this will be this way. But life has another plan for you. The universe has another plan for you and a better plan for you. So believe in that. Believe in that. Socho, just think about it. How many times in your life have you been in very dire, desperate circumstances where you felt like, this is difficult. This is too difficult. I cannot handle it. And I'm drowning. And hey, you came out regardless. I mean, you came out unscathed. तुमको कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. कभी ऐसे नहीं लगना चाहिए कि यार मेरी जिंदगी खत्म है. जिंदगी भी खत्म नहीं होती. जिंदगी कभी खत्म नहीं होती. आप सोचते हैं कि मुझे ये नौकरी नहीं मिली तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. आप सोच रहे हैं कि मुझे ये लड़की नहीं मिली तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, या लड़का, पर ऐसा नहीं है. Whatever doesn't happen is happening for you. It's not happening to you, right? That's what I believe. Life doesn't happen to you, it happens for you. I strongly believe that. तो चाहे वो करियर में हो, चाहे वो किसी और चीज में हो, you need to believe that things are gonna be better. क्योंकि अगर आपने विश्वास छोड़ दिया तो फिर सब कुछ खत्म. जिंदगी तब खत्म होती है जब इंसान की उम्मीद खत्म हो जाती है, ना कि इंसान की उम्र. उम्र से पहले वही इंसान मर जाती है. और आपकी उम्मीद खत्म हो गया तो फिर तो आप जिंदा लाश बन गए. You're a walking corpse. Dead end. No place to go. That is what I call falling behind. You are not that person. You are more than that. Set an example. Believe that tomorrow is going to be better, because it has been better. That's the reason why you are still alive. That's the reason why you have the resources to be watching this video right now. Believe it. Believe it. Just believe it. Sometimes you need to take a step in life which requires a leap of faith. It does. You will not always see hard evidence in front of you for you to take any action. But you've got to take that action anyways. You've got to do it. Because अगर आपने नहीं किया तो आपको कोई नहीं बचा सकता. You're digging your own grave. The only person who can save you is you, my friend. I don't know what your background is. I don't know who you are. I don't know where you come from. I don't know anything. But I know the truth. And the truth is that you have life inside you. You have life and hope within you. And you just need to realize it. You need to realize that. So please, believe it. Believe it. You have to believe it. Okay? Some people think that I need to move really fast in life. I want to get this done. I want to buy a house. I want to do this. I want to do that. Hey, when you look at other people, right? Let's talk about other people, right? You see them in these fancy cars. You see them in their fancy houses. But do you even know what's going on in their lives? Do you know कि उनके 4 EMI हैं जो भर नहीं पा रहे हैं? Do you know कि उनके कितने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनकी वाइफ के साथ, उनके हस्बैंड के साथ, उनके बच्चों के साथ? आपको लगता है कि आपकी शादी नहीं हुई तो आपकी लाइफ खत्म. आपने कभी ये सोचा है कि जिनकी शादी हो गई है और वो वापस नहीं जा सकते, उनकी लाइफ कैसी है? मैं उनकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूं जिनकी शादियां बहुत अच्छी चल रही है, मैं उनकी बातें कर रहा हूं जिनकी शादियां अच्छी नहीं चल रही है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज गाइस. हैव यू थॉट अबाउट दैट? Because nobody talks about it. Nobody talks about it, right? That's the problem, because we only see one side of things. We don't see it for what it is. हमको सिर्फ shiny चीजें नजर आती हैं. But you shouldn't do that. You're better than that. You're wiser than that. वो गलती मैंने भी की है. खैर, some seeds blossom in weeks, some take years underground. And the sad part is that, or the unfortunate part is, that you cannot see those seeds growing, the ones which grow underground. You can only see those seeds which blossom in weeks, which grow above ground, right? So there you can see some evidence. But when there is growth, but yet it's underground, you cannot see that evidence. You feel like nothing is happening. No, a lot is happening, but you just don't see it yet. So have that courage, right? Have that courage. Aapki kahani, you have to know that. So believe in yourself. So if you feel like you're behind right now, if you're lost in that battle of comparison, breathe. Take a deep breath, And it's been proven that breathing relaxes you, like taking deep breaths, right? Go for a walk, work out, exercise, eat healthy, keep a clean diet, be kind to people, even if they're not kind to you. But do your best, because you are not them, and they can definitely not be you. And that's the message that I want to give you today, is that, today, if you feel like it's over, it's not. It never is. Unless you say or you think that it is. And until that day comes, I wish you well. You're watching Borderless Ambition. For the ones who move slow, but never stop. Thank you.